Cloudy, yellowed headlights aren't just ugly, they're dangerous, reducing nighttime visibility by up to 50%. You can pay a shop hundreds, or you can DIY it in under an hour. But not all restoration kits are created equal. Some require power tools, some are temporary wipes that wash off in a month, and some actually bond to the lens permanently. After analyzing thousands of reviews and technical specs, here are 5 kits that actually deliver. The CERAKOTE kit takes a permanent approach to headlight restoration, using ceramic chemistry that chemically bonds to the lens rather than just coating it. Inside the box, you'll find 8 oxidation-removing wipes, a sanding kit for deeper scratches, and 2 ceramic coating wipes. No power tools required, which makes it accessible for anyone. The process begins with the oxidation remover wipes, which break down surface yellowing through simple manual wiping. If deeper oxidation remains, you'll then wet sand the lens using the supplied sanding materials until the surface is smooth and uniform. Finally, you apply the ceramic coating wipe evenly across the lens and allow it to cure. The entire process takes about 30 minutes, and because the ceramic forms a permanent bond, users consistently report results lasting 2 years or more. This is the closest you'll get to a set-it-and-forget-it solution without visiting a professional shop. The POLIWELL kit is designed for those dealing with heavy oxidation who aren't afraid to use power tools. It arrives with scrubber pads, sanding discs in 1000, 3000, and 5000 grit, a drill attachment, foam polishing pad, polishing compound, UV coating, masking tape, and a spray bottle. Everything required for a full professional-style restoration. You'll start by washing the lens and taping off the surrounding paint to protect it. Then, using a common household drill, you'll wet sand with the scrubber pads before progressing through the 1000, 3000, and 5000 grit discs, each step refining the surface further. After sanding, you switch to the foam pad with polishing compound to restore optical clarity. The final step is applying the UV block coat, which seals the lens and provides protection against future yellowing. User feedback consistently praises how effectively this kit transforms severely oxidized lenses, though the UV coating typically requires reapplication every 6 to 12 months, depending on climate conditions. Beam Bright offers a true 3-step system that balances simplicity with effectiveness, all without requiring power tools. The kit includes oxidation remover wipes, premium sanding discs, and UV ceramic coating wipes. The process begins with the oxidation remover wipes, which eliminate surface haze through simple manual application. For lenses with deeper oxidation, you'll then wet sand manually using the included sanding discs until the surface is smooth and clear. The final step is applying the UV ceramic coating wipe, which bonds to the lens for long-term protection. Users appreciate the control that manual sanding provides, eliminating any risk of burning the plastic with power tools. The 3M kit brings the company's industrial abrasive expertise to a streamlined, user-friendly package. Inside, you'll find Trizact refining discs in 1000 and 3000 grit, a foam pad with hooked attachment, and 2 quick Headlight clear coat wipes. A disposable glove is also included. You can use the discs with or without a drill, though most users opt for the faster drill method. After cleaning the lens thoroughly, you'll attach the foam pad and sanding discs to your drill, starting with the 1000 grit to remove oxidation and yellowing. You then refine the surface with the 3000 grit disc, which leaves an exceptionally smooth finish thanks to 3M's Trizact abrasive technology. The final step is applying the clear coat wipe evenly across the lens and allowing it to dry. The entire process often takes under 20 minutes. User consensus confirms that this kit delivers exactly what it promises: fast, reliable restoration with no surprises. The clear coat provides solid UV protection for 6 to 12 months, and the abrasive quality is noticeably superior to generic alternatives. The toretark kit takes a completely different approach. No grinding, no sanding, and no power tools whatsoever. This is a spray and wipe ceramic coating designed to restore clarity without removing any lens material. The process could not be simpler. You clean the headlight thoroughly with the provided solution, rinse it clean, then spray the ceramic coating onto the lens and wipe it evenly. That's it. No abrasives, no sanding discs, no drill. Each application takes about 10 minutes and is designed to last approximately 60 days, meaning the full kit provides about 180 days of protection if reapplied as directed. It's important to understand that this is not a true restoration kit for severely oxidized lenses. It's a clarity enhancer and protector. The ceramic formula fills micro scratches and adds a clear, protective layer that works beautifully for maintaining already clear lenses or addressing mild to moderate haze, but it won't fix deep yellowing that requires abrasive removal.